Hey plant lovers, welcome back to Gardening with SNKM. If you love plants but don't have much time for care, today's video is perfect for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload fresh content. Succulents are stylish, compact, and super easy to grow indoors. They need very little water, minimal maintenance, and still make your home look beautiful. So today, I'm sharing 10 succulent indoor plants that you can easily grow at home. Let's get started. Number 10. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera is one of the most popular succulents. It's low maintenance, needs very little water, and also has medicinal benefits. Perfect for windowsills and kitchen counters. Number 9 is Echeveria. Echeveria is known for its beautiful rosette shape. It loves bright light and looks amazing in small decorative pots. Number 8 is Zebra Plant, or Haworthia. This compact succulent has white stripes on dark green leaves. It's perfect for desks and shelves and grows well in low to medium light. Number 7 is Jade Plant. Jade Plant is an air purifier. Low maintenance, it's very hardy and can survive even if you forget watering sometimes. Number 6 is Burro's Tail. Burro's Tail has trailing stems and looks beautiful in hanging pots. Handle gently as its leaves fall easily. Number 5 is Snake Plant. Though often called a houseplant, snake plant is also a succulent. It tolerates low light, purifies air, and needs watering only once in 2 to 3 weeks. Number 4 is Panda Plant. With soft, fuzzy leaves, Panda Plant is unique and very easy to grow indoors. Number 3 is Christmas Cactus. Unlike desert succulents, this one blooms beautifully indoors during winter. It prefers indirect light and light watering. Number 2 is String of Pearls. This succulent has round, bead-like leaves and looks stunning in hanging planters near windows. Number 1 is Lithops. Lithops are tiny, stone-like succulents that need very little water, perfect for collectors and small indoor spaces. All succulents need bright, indirect sunlight, well-draining soil, and less water. Overwatering is the biggest mistake. Always let the soil dry completely before watering again. So friends, these were 10 succulent indoor plants that are perfect for your home, office, or desk. Tell me in the comments which succulent is your favorite. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gardening with SNKM for more easy plant care videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.